What are the real problems team faces every day and how Sitecore AI actually solves them? We are going to see in this episode today. Welcome back to my digital diaries. This is episode 2 of our Sitecore AI series. Today we are answering the big question, what can Sitecore AI actually do? Watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's start. First, AI powered content. Here is the problem. Writing web content takes time, drafting it, translating it for different regions, and then optimizing it so it actually reads well. Normally, this needs a writer, a translator, and several rounds of edits. Sitecore AI changes this. It uses generative AI to automatically draft, translate, and optimize structured web content. So instead of starting from the blank page, you get a ready first draft in the language you need almost instantly. Now let's talk about the benefits here. First is a faster content creation. What used to take days can now take minutes. Second, consistent brand messaging. Since the AI follows your brand voice, every piece of content sounds like it belongs together no matter who trigger it. And the third one is reduced teamwork. Your content team spend less time on repetitive writing and more time on the strategy and review. A simple example here, let's say a healthcare company needs a landing page for a brand new service, maybe a new clinic offering. Normally writing that page means research, drafting and reviewing. With Sitecore AI, you can generate a complete landing page for that healthcare service in just 30 seconds. Same intent, same structure, just without the wait. Now let's move to the AI assisted assembly. Building a landing page usually means someone has to arrange sections, choose layouts, and place components correctly. If you are not technical, this can feel overwhelming. Sitecore AI helps content editors building landing pages using smart visual builders and interface suggestions. In simple words, the AI guides you on what to place and where without needing a developer involved. What are the benefits here? No developer coding required. Marketers or a content editor can assemble a full page on their own. Second, faster page creation, since there is no back and forth with a dev team for every small change. And third, the improved user experience, because the AI is actively suggesting layouts that are proven to work better for visitors. Here is how this looks in practice. While you are assembling your home page, Sitecore AI continuously suggests high conversation layout as you build. So instead of guessing which section should come first, which layout perform best, the AI recommends to you live as you are putting the page together. Third, the real-time personalization. Here is the problem. Every visitors on your website is different, but most sites shows the exact same page to everyone regardless of what the person actually wants or has browsed before. Sitecore AI solves this by dynamically updating components to serve custom user profiles based on active browser behaviors. So the page isn't fixed anymore, it adjusts itself in real time depending on who is viewing it. The first benefit here is a deeper user engagement because visitors sees content that actually feels relevant to them. Second is a higher conversation metric, since relevant content naturally leads to more click and more signups. And third, better customer journey, meaning the entire experience feels smooth and personal from the very first visit. Here is what this looks like in real life. Let's go back to our healthcare example. If a visitor has a browse healthcare plans before and returns to the site again, Sitecore AI makes sure returning visitors see tailored healthcare discount reflecting exactly what they were browsing earlier. No manual setup, it just adapts. Now AI powered search. Regular website search is often frustrating. You type in what you are looking for and you get pages that don't quite match what you want. Sitecore AI fixed this by providing intelligent search experience across the website. It doesn't just match keyword, it understands user intent so people find what they are actually looking for, and it is faster also. What benefits add? Faster information discovery since visitors reach the right page in fewer clicks. Second is the improved user satisfaction because people aren't left guessing or scrolling endlessly. And finally, increase content visibility, meaning even pages that are hard to find through regular search now get properly discovered. Here is a simple example. Say visitors search for a heart specialist on a hospital website. With a Sitecore AI user searching heart specialist receives a relevant doctor and clinic pages directly connected to what they actually meant, not just pages containing those exact words. Automated content translation. If your business want to reach customers in different countries, your website need to speak their language. But translating content manually, page by page, takes time and usually needs a separate translation team. Sitecore AI solves this by translating website content into multiple languages using AI. So the same page you wrote in English can be made available in other language almost instantly. Now the benefits first is a faster localization. Since there is no waiting on a separate translation cycle, it's faster. Second, reduce translation cost because you are not depending entirely on external translator for every page. And finally the global search audience reach, meaning your content can now speak to customers well beyond your home market. Here is a simple example. Let's say your website is only in English today. With Sitecore AI, you can translate an English website into French, German, and Japanese automatically without hiring a translator for each language one by one. Now, the digital asset intelligence. Here is the problem. Most websites stores hundreds of sometimes thousands of images, videos, and documents. Finding the right one later without proper tags or descriptions becomes slow and frustrating search. Sitecore AI solved this by using AI to organize and manage images, videos, and documents. It understands what inside each file, so your team spend less time hunting for the right asset. So first benefit obviously easier asset discovery since the file becomes searchable by what exactly in them. Second is better governance, meaning your media library stays organized and consistent over time. And third, improved productivity because your team stops wasting time digging through folders. Here is what this looks like in practice. If you upload an image and AI automatically generate keywords and description for it. So instead of manually tagging every photo you add, the system does that groundwork for you right at the moment of upload. Seventh, AI agents and workflow automation. Marketing and content teams deal with a lot of repetitive work. Drafting content, assigning reviews, following up on approvals, all of this eat up time that could go into actual strategy. Sitecore AI solved this by automating repetitive marketing and content management tasks. AI agents handles the routine step in the background so your team isn't stuck doing the same manual work again and again. So obvious benefit here is a less manual effort since the AI picks up the repetitive work. Second is a faster approvals because reviews and sign-offs move through the pipeline quicker. Third, improved efficiency, meaning your team's time goes towards a decision that actually needs human. Here is an example. With Sitecore AI, AI creates content drafts, assigns reviews, and tracks progress automatically. So the moment a draft is ready, the right person is notified and the whole approval chain moves on its own. Analytics and insight. Team often publish content without really knowing what's working and what isn't. Without clear insight, they end up guessing what to improve next. Sitecore AI solves this by analyzing customer interactions and content performance. It looks at how people are actually engaging with your content and turns that into clear, usable insights. Benefits. First is data driven decision. So your team stops guessing and start acting on the real numbers. Second, better content strategy. Since you know exactly what resonating with your audience, you can do a better content strategy. Third, increase ROI. Because your efforts go towards what actually driving the result, your ROI will increase. Here is how it plays out. Sitecore AI identifies which pages generate the most conversation. So instead of manually combing through analytic dashboard, the AI tells you directly which pages are doing the heavy lifting. And finally, we come to A/B testing and optimization. Testing different versions of pages usually take times, setting up variant, waiting for enough data, and then manually comparing results. Sitecore AI uses AI to improve website performance through experimentation. It runs and evaluates this comparison for you so you get a clear answer on what's actually working better. Benefits here. First is higher conversion. Since you are always moving towards what perform the best, the conversion will increase. Second, better user experience, because the winning version is the one the user actually responds to. And the third, continuous improvement, meaning your site keeps getting better over time, not just once. Here is an example. AI tests two homepage versions and recommends the better performing design. So instead of manually reviewing test results for weeks, you get a direct data backed recommendation. If this helps you to understand Sitecore AI better, do like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.